What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick eyeshadow tutorial. We are getting back to reality. School is starting. We are ending our summer holidays, back to work, back to all those fun things. So I wanted to do a quick eyeshadow tutorial that would work great on blue, green, or brown eyes. And deep set or not deep set, I think this is a really pretty eyeshadow tutorial, very minimal, simple, quick, and easy to do. So if you guys are interested in seeing what we're going to do with the eyes today, then just keep watching. I've been seeing this on TikTok a lot lately, the power of using purple in your lower waterline and just how it's going to enhance your eyes. So first we're going to go in with the Makeup by Mario palette. So whatever kind of neutral palette that you have, a nice kind of medium neutral color will work. I'm going to go in with the shade M1. This one is a little bit kind of like a warmer peachy tone, and just my Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush to just pick up minimal amount of powder eyeshadow and just kind of blend that all over the lid. I'm really liking doing a solo shadow all over the lid, like a nice just lighter medium tone all over, just because it's like for deep set eyes I already have my crease, and this is just a nice way to kind of soften the eye without kind of looking like too makeup-y, especially for aging eyes. So just kind of goes all over in the crevices and just softens the whole look of the eye. And then we will go kind of underneath as well. So you want to just get right under the lash line, right on the outer corner. Up everywhere except for kind of that inner part of your eye if you have deep set eyes. I would also just say I would totally recommend this eyeshadow palette, the Makeup by Mario Eyeshadow Master Mattes, the neutrals. This will work for you every day. It will tie into other palettes that you have. This is the one I'm reaching for the most. The product is really nice. The mattes are beautiful, pigmented, soft, blend out really nice on the eye, and you will get a lot of use out of this palette. I'm not really reaching for my glam palette. I'm not doing anything too sparkly lately, so if you are looking for a great neutral palette with the cooler and warmer tones, definitely. So for my lower waterline, I'm going to go in with this eyeliner from Marcel. This is the Forever Sharp Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner in the shade Grape. This is a 10-hour plus hold smudge proof eyeliner. So we're just going into our lower waterline with that eyeliner. That is definitely bringing out any sort of yellow or green that I have in my eyes. I don't have too much. Mine are pretty blue, but it is definitely making any kind of green that I have in my eyes kind of pop. So I just put some mascara on my top lashes. I love the way that this came out. Such a simple, fun way to add a little bit of color to your eye look without it looking not like a neutral eye look. My eyes look a lot bluer and so quick and easy to do, something fun to try for fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.